What should I say now? What should I say now?
I would like her to try. I would like her to try.
He shouldn't come here again. He shouldn't come here again.
Would you like a cup of coffee? Would you like a cup of coffee?
I opened my business in the summer. I opened my business in the summer.
I have no insurance. I have no insurance.
That's worth it. That's worth it. The price is up to you. The price is up to you. His house for sale. His house for sale. The meat costs a lot today. The meat costs a lot today. He does not pray. He does not pray. The back of hand. The back of hand. I don't like his actions. I don't like his actions. That's the bus stop. That's the bus stop. Let's run to the bus stop. Let's run to the bus stop. I like action movies. I like action movies. It does not rain. It does not rain. I saw him looking at me. I saw him looking at me. What exactly will happen? What exactly will happen? I liked his look. I liked his look. Her personality is different. Her personality is different. His personality is like yours. His personality is like yours. The details are important. The details are important. I can't talk right now. I can't talk right now. Time flies. Time flies. Sounds good. Sounds good. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. Let's get started. Let's get started. Can I get you anything? Can I get you anything? It's my duty. It's my duty. It's getting late. It's getting late. Don't sweat it. Don't sweat it. Stop complaining. Stop complaining. You disappoint me. You disappoint me. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? You crack me up. You crack me up.